Today is a celebration of our teachers, and we are delighted to welcome you all to this virtual felicitation ceremony to celebrate the winners of the Reliance Foundation Teacher Awards. Today is a celebration of their passion, creativity, knowledge, and relentless service.
Through the partnership that we have with Center Reliance Foundation, is privileged to honor teachers and recognize their excellence in this Olympiad. Each and every participant bears this spirit of excellence. To excel as you have amidst all the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic over the last 19 months is truly commendable.
I continue to support my students through the pandemic by teaching them online through various video conferencing tools and making videos demonstrating important concepts.
I kept my classroom rules flexible. I visited their house virtually. As a teacher, I felt that it was very important for the students to feel a strong connect with the teacher and the school.
And I believe the teamwork brought us closer and made us realize the importance of every individual's role in the child's development.
Upon confronting the issues faced by teachers during COVID-19 lockdown, Reliance Foundation worked to support teachers in its schools all across India, providing virtual training and building capacities wherever required.
As Center, our mission is to create or catalyze career growth opportunities for competent teachers by certifying them and creating more and more value for that certification. So today it is used by a large number of entities in recruiting and promotion, etc. Now, while career growth is a longer term thing, what a lot of teachers also look for is validation in their immediate as well as broader environment. That's the primary role that we see Reliance Foundation Teacher Awards and Center TPO.
So hats off to all the teachers who have rose up to this occasion, and congratulations to Reliance Foundation and Center to have made this learning possible to the deepest of the remote, and we are succeeding in it.
For me, winning the Reliance Foundation Teacher Award means adding a golden feather in my cap.
For me, winning the Reliance Foundation Teacher Awards means, well, it was awesome because it's great when you win anything when you're a teacher.
Winning the Reliance Foundation Teacher Award means that I am touching the right chords. It validates my teaching methodologies and it inspires me to inspire others.
It is my honor to launch the new edition of the Reliance Foundation Teacher Awards. I thank each and every one of you for your dedication and hard work. As we all know, there is a lot more that needs to be done in the year to come post-pandemic. I hope to see that RFTA and our community of teachers grow together and continue to play their part in building a nation of aspiring and inspiring students. Thank you.
Here's hoping for an exciting, invigorating next round of the prestigious Reliance Foundation Teacher Awards.